Imagine creating music that perfectly matches your vision, effortlessly and instantly.
I walk down the streets lost and alone.
Introducing MakeBestMusic, your ultimate partner in music creation. Start by entering a description of the song you envision, and then click Create. Instantly, the tool crafts a custom instrumental track tailored just for you. Listen to your unique instrumental track. And if it feels right, go ahead and download it. Next, let's add some lyrics and give your song a voice. Click Normal to enter the lyrics section. Type in your lyrics, select the style of music, and give your creation a title. Ready for the magic? Hit Create, and MakeBestMusic will generate the complete song for you. Preview your finished masterpiece.
I walk down the streets lost and alone, searching for a place to call my own. With every step I take, the rhythm starts to flow. A story of love, yeah, it begins to grow. I walk down the streets, lost and alone, searching for a place to call my own.
And with just a click, download your new track. It's that simple. Whether you are making a YouTube video, a podcast, or just jamming with friends, MakeBestMusic offers endless possibilities. Transform your musical dreams into reality with ease and fun. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.